Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, Lash Brand Growth Strategist. I mentor lash artists to help them increase their clientele, learn how to create strong brand identities, and create valuable content. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, today is a day in the life, and this is a work day in the life. We are not chilling. We are not going to get our nails done. We are going to get our hair done though, because the Woman Evolve conference is here starting tomorrow, and your girl I can't be looking like don't nobody love me, and that's what the hair is giving right now. So I'm going to take you guys through my day with me. I have 2 clients this morning. I have 1 mega volume fill and 1 regular volume fill, and so I'm going to show you guys those processes or whatever. And if my appointment is not moved up earlier, then I will show you guys some of the work that I do for content and everything with my MacBook and all those things. So yeah, we're gonna go through this day. Right now my client is here, so I'm about to take you guys outside with me to show y'all how my process for in the mornings. We finally got some rain last night, and I am so happy. So every evening I lock my gate, but this is the gate that my clients come through for their appointments. So I am a home-based lash artist, but I have my own mini salon in the house. I'm trying to get the key out the freaking lock. So yeah, this is how I bring my clients through. We come through the backyard, and then this is the door that leads to the lash room. And when they come in, they get nice, relaxing spa music or smooth jazz, just depending on what I'm trying to create for the day. I have my little table with my candle warmer and my wax warmer so that it smells nice in here. It's bright because I have a light on the phone so you guys can see, but this is the room. The bed is super comfy. They always ask me, what do you put on this bed? Y'all, I use $4 Walmart pillows. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Yeah, just the pillows that be in the bins in the aisles at Walmart, and they again are $4. I get 4 of them and line them along the bed, and then I have a comforter on top of the bed, on top of the pillows, and then I put my lash bedding sheet over the comforter and the pillows. So that's my setup. So my client is here and she is ready. I'm about to go back outside, out the door through the backyard, and meet her outside and get her and bring her in and get started on her appointment. The very first thing that I do before I get started when I'm lashing is give my clients a lash bath. They don't have to pay for a lash bath. It comes with the service because 1, this is a luxury service and we should be giving our clients luxury. 2, I want to work on a clean surface and I want to give them the best shot at long lasting lashes. So I make sure I clean down on the lashes and I make sure that I get in good on that lash line to remove any buildup that may be in there. Then we rinse and we dry. After the lashes are clean and dry, it's time to go ahead and tape down those bottom lashes. I like to use the Next Care hypoallergenic tape because it has a great adhesive and hold to keep the lashes down, but it also is very painless for my clients when I'm removing the lash tape. So I like to apply my tape in an X shape, going from the outer corner to the middle and then from the inner corner to the middle, just making sure that I get as many lashes laid down as possible. And if I need a third piece of tape, I just lay it across the middle of that little X that I've created. Once my client closes their eyes and lets me know that the tape is comfortable, I go ahead and start with my next process, which is usually mapping the lashes out. After her lashes are mapped, okay, so her map is very simple. She was a foreign field client and she came in wearing 10s on the inner and outer corners and then just 12mm C-curl through the rest of the eye. So that's what we've maintained, and I love her lash look. So after I get everything mapped and taped down, I go ahead and apply my tape to the upper lid. When you guys are doing this, make sure that you ain't just applying tape to be applying tape. You want to make sure that you are just slightly lifting the natural lashes up off of the tape. As you can see, I go in and check with my lash mirror to make sure that the client's eye is not open. This is usually what causes the redness to your client's eyes if your clients have red eyes, or if you see people with red eyes after a lash service. Because the eye is open, those glue fumes are creating a little irritation, it's burning, and that's where the redness comes from. So just make sure that you check to make sure the eye is all the way closed and you're only lifting the lashes off of the tape a little bit. Now that all of that is done, I can go in and remove any outgrowns. Do y'all see all them outgrowns right there? She gets consistent 2-week fills. So I be so proud when I see all of the healthy lash growth. So I just go through each of the lashes and make sure that I remove all of the outgrowns. If I happen to miss any, then I can see them, of course, when I go back in and start lashing, and then I'll just remove those during the lashing process. But I like to go ahead and get this out of the way so I can kind of see what I'm working with before I actually start lashing. So I do this, of course, on both eyes, and then once the process is done, it's time to go ahead and get her filled. I've been using lashes from the LashSupply.com since September of 2020. I love them. I love the adhesive. If you would like some supplies that are going to work well for you and for your clients, shop the LashSupply.com, save 10% off, and get free shipping when you use code TEE10. Now you can see everything is all filled. The lashes are all fluffy. I love Mega Volume on her, especially with the length that she gets, because they're still full and nice, but they still look very natural. You can look for yourself. Hold on. And we're just going to call it perfection, because I love them, she loves them, you love them, we all love the lashes, period. Client 1 is done. I am now waiting on client number 2. She is one of my more mature clients, and her lashes hold up so well. All of my clients have great retention, but it's always funny when the next client that I have, she comes and she's like, girl, I look like a plucked chicken, and her eyes be still so full, and it don't even take me the full service time to refill her lashes. So after I get her done, I'm probably gonna eat, because it's like almost 11 o'clock and sis is kind of hungry. I still have not heard back from my hairstylist yet, and that makes me feel like y'all ain't got y'all fingers crossed or sending y'all prayers up for me to be able to go in early for this appointment before 4 o'clock. We need that in our lives. So hopefully she hit me back so that I can go ahead and get out there and get cute and get back. So I'm getting ready for this appointment. I'll take y'all through this appointment with me, and then we'll see what else happens in the meantime and in between time. Well, as you can see, I only remembered to record when I was drying my client's lashes, but she's filled and great, and she's gone. My stylist, y'all was praying and y'all had them fingers crossed. My stylist is able to get me in a little earlier. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go prep dinner for the night. The good thing about this is the crock pot is gonna cook it. I don't have to do much. So yeah, me and Spark, if you saw my last day in the life, in that video, I talk about how it's been burning up in Dallas. Like, it's been 3 digits for months. And this week is the first week that we get anything under 90 degrees. So Monday was like 90 something. And that was the only 90 days. So everything else is 89 and below. So me and Spark, say hi. We're out here enjoying the coolness and the beauty of the day. So yeah, that's about to be over though, because I have some content stuff that I need to go in and work on. Because the rest of the week I won't be able to do anything. I'll be at the Woman Evolve 2023 conference, and I cannot wait to get my cry on and to get just a refuel and a abundance of Jesus. An abundance of word, man. I love God, and I love his word, and I love worship, and it's just gonna be an amazing experience. And I get to do it with my big sister Jennifer. She's I shared her with y'all a couple of days in the lives ago, but yeah, so we're about to get dinner prepped, and then we're gonna go get our hair done. If I don't know, I might take I don't know, okay? It's either do the content or take a nap before the hair appointment. And then I have this panel thing that I'm speaking on tonight. I'm excited about that. So it's this HBCU like podcast that they were looking for a HBCU former dancer. And if you didn't know, I was a Black Fox of the Marching Storm marching band at the Prairie View AMU University, where productive people are produced, okay? So I'm gonna be speaking on that panel tonight at 7:30. So it's great that I can get my hair done early, so I ain't, you know, like rushing trying to get home or ending up later, nothing like that. It's gonna be cool. So after that, I don't know. Oh, you guys, I can show y'all my outfits for Woman Evolve that I don't have picked out yet. So we got some more stuff to do. Stay tuned. It's time to go get cute, okay? You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing after I get this hair done, because I got my lashes still popping. They look a little funny right now because I need to wash them. My nails are brand new and my hair finna be done. Don't play with her. So my appointment is in 30 minutes and I am headed there now. I did not work on anything content. That's why I didn't show y'all. I put the food in the crock pot and then I sat down to decompress because I give myself permission to do that these days. Seriously, man, I can get so caught up in working and being on go and trying to make sure I do the most all day with every second of the day. Listen, your mental health is more important than your job, whether you're a content creator, lash artist, whatever it is that you do. So yeah, I'll be chilling out. Well, anywho, like I said, I'm headed to go see my hairstylist. She is the bomb, she is the best. And I'll see y'all when I'm cute again, period. Okay, y'all, so we are back from the beauty shop and my cut is a little different this time and I really like it, especially because all of the hair that was around here is gone, y'all. I do not like hair anymore. I used to have a ton of hair, but I don't have time for that no more. And I just want to wake up cute. Like, I feel like everything in my life shows that I want to wake up cute. I keep my nails and my toes done. My eyebrows are tattooed on. I keep my lashes done. I keep my hair short. So all I have to do is wake up and we here and we ready. I don't even have to tie my hair down at night. The only time I tear my hair up is to get in the shower. So we love the low maintenance beauty. So that's gonna be it for this video. I said I was gonna do my Woman Evolve outfits, but I gotta hop on this call that I was telling y'all about earlier, the Zoom call about the HBCU dance experience and all of that. So I'm about to do that now, and I think I'm gonna do like a pack with me for Woman Evolve video, and I might take y'all to Woman Evolve for a little bit. We gonna see, but I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank y'all for spending this day in the life with me, and I will see y'all in the next one.